Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Let's play. Oh no. As you can see, I've already played this several times. It's a fun game. I suggest you should try it. Oh no, I'm gonna fall. Dang it, I fell. Oh whoa. That's sad. Who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? Channels be like, you'll get $1,000 if you'll be the winner. Oh no. Dang it. Okay, got who? 28. How many did I get? 19. That's fair. Oh no, there's a bomb on the base plate. There we go. Diamond! See, it's in the shop. Oh no, what's happening? I'm the only one on my team? Are you kidding me? Where's my teammates? Where are they? So they're not helping. My teammates weren't helping. Gotta be kidding me. Bubble wrap! The bubble wrap! Woo! Hey, give us bubble wrap! Ooh, cake. Delicious. Coin. Oh, well, you risk it. Gotta get this diamond first. Why are we on a trampoline? Why are we on a trampoline? Oh no. Can we see where they are? What's my help? I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's like, try hiding. Work. Staff, work. Second right here. It's a secret, so there's more than one. Doesn't matter. Just gotta keep hiding. Here we go. They would have just fallen before. That was so scary.
That's a lot of damage.
It is a lot. Oh.
I like singing. I like dog sing.
I like rain.
Oh yeah. Oh no, oh no. Gotta get him, gotta get him. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Gotta drink some hot chocolate. Tastes good. Oh no, boulders. Let's just try and stay in between them. Oh, I failed to do that. That's sad. Yes. Actually, no. Actually, yes. I don't know. Uh-oh. You know what? Oh, I wish I took a photo of that. That would have been a sick background picture. Who will make it on the platform? 2 people died. Okay. Winners, collect your prize. I gotta go get the chef his ingredients to make a cake, I guess. Where am I getting the flour? Okay, I guess. I'm gonna get the flour. I've got this. Yes! Got it. Cake was why. I get extra cake. Oh no, Baldy's here. Don't touch me. Oh no, he still wants to touch me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is gun work. Oh no, look at my face. Bang. Oh no. I have a hot potato. I know what that person does now. You do not see me, for my face is hideous. Oh no. Flute. Oh no, my flute won't work. Oof. Who will die? Who will live? I will live. Is that the Grim Reaper? No, whatever, it doesn't matter. Oh no, snowball fight. Fight! Who will live? Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Happy health.